Hey, this is Ross here, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video today to give a massive shout out, and probably more importantly than that, a huge thank you to Jay Williams. I actually knew of Jay for quite a while before he had even heard of me, before he became my coach and he started coaching me. But from the second that we started working together and started chatting, I instantly hit it off with him. Jay's been coaching me for really, quite honestly, just a short period of time, but I felt compelled to shoot this video today to emphasize just how much of an impact he's had on me already in this short space of time that we've been working together. He listens intently to what I have to say when we do chat, and he's already managed to help me break through some massive hurdles I was having in my business life. He's literally coached me through a lot of self-limiting beliefs that I had in myself, and he's also helped me to create a massive mindset shift within me and started steering me in the direction where I need to be heading. He's got me crystal clear on the path that I need to take, and he holds me accountable for that each and every single week. He's got my back every single time that we chat. He takes out of his own time also to check in with me and to make sure that I'm reaching my goals, and to say that he goes above and beyond the call of duty would probably be a little bit of an understatement. I'll be honest, I was a bit apprehensive about getting a coach because I always was one of those types of people who wanted to figure things out for themselves, maybe just an ego thing on my part. But honestly, I couldn't have been more wrong. Working with Jay has been the best move that I've ever made, and the only regret that I do have is not actually reaching out and asking him to coach me sooner. Jay, you've helped me so much in such a short space of time, and honestly, I cannot thank you enough. So if you are someone who's watching this video right now and you're sitting on the fence about working with Jay, get yourself off that fence, pick up your phone and drop him a message straight away. Because honestly, you won't regret it. Because when you do start working with him and you start seeing the results in your life that you've always wanted to see for yourself, after you start working with Jay and being coached by him, you will literally be thanking yourself that you did decide to pick up the phone and drop him a line. So Jay, honestly mate, thank you for everything. I really do appreciate it.